on, trade with the dream. Come on, trade with the dream.
Opinions only break you when you don't walk in your purpose. Manifest your legacy, gems. I know I am. Hey gems, it's your girl Beau Raven. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys a boot that I'm wearing currently for fall. I actually got this boot, I want to say in winter, like late winter of last year, but this boot is so comfortable and you can wear it for winter or fall. If you want to elevate from your Uggs and go up, this is it. As you guys can see here, I have everything in the box. I will try to, there's a fly in here, I will actually try to put all the details somewhere in the video for you guys. But this is a Shearling and it is suede. I got it in a 38.5. I did get it on sale when I purchased it. I'm gonna do it kind of like an unboxing for you guys. You get your Giuseppe duster, of course. Classic, you get all of your things here. You get your care instruction, just your things telling you thank you for purchasing with Giuseppe. One thing I will say, y'all know I love me a Giuseppe heel or Giuseppe purse. I love anything that's different that everybody else doesn't have. I have my classics and stuff like that too, but I love to get things that other people don't have. I ordered these directly off the website and I'm pretty sure I ordered other things the same day. So wherever the receipt is to it is in with everything else that was on the order, which I want to say may have been the blue boot and bag that I got that day. But anyway, so this is, y'all look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Suede, leather. Now as you guys can see, I haven't worn them that much, but I have every intention to. Your Shearling, of course the Shearling goes all the way down into the boot. If y'all can see that, you can see the lamb fur on the inside. Of course, does that make it better? Can y'all see down in the boot, all into the toe area? So you only have leather there where the Giuseppe logo is. But y'all, I just wanted y'all to get into this boot. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if you really like this one. They're super comfortable, super cute. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with leather. You can carry them into the winter. Of course, like I said, you can wear them here in the fall. I don't know where y'all are, but here in Texas and Louisiana, baby, we do not care. We will pull our stuff out. We will pull it out and we will wear it. We're gonna get in close, let you guys see all the details of this shoe. And y'all let me know in the comments if this is something that you would wear. All right, y'all, this is gonna be the shoe that I'm gonna show you guys for today, but I am gonna also throw in a bonus. I keep them in my Christian Louboutin duster. So I have been having these for over a year. I should have pulled out some shoes to kind of like show y'all some of my shoe gummies, right? So I buy shoe gummies. I typically buy the round ones. Sorry, Augie. I typically buy the round ones. I did buy one pair of pointed and I have them on a shoe already. So you can get them with the triangle or you can get them round. If I'm correct, when I bought these, they were like $39 or $49.99, something like that, per box. So they do cost a pretty coin. As you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 boxes of shoe gummies. One is on one pair of shoes, and I will tell y'all this, they really do work. They really do help to alleviate all the pressure that comes on the ball, this part of your foot, right? Just by giving like some height. I definitely, if you guys have never tried it, you should get it. It's really easy. You just simply file the bottom of the shoe and then, you know, heat it up, peel off the peeling, stick it on. That's as simple as I can make it for you guys. But basically it's made to reduce the pressure on the balls of your feet. You can wear them for an increased, wear your high heels for an increased period of time. You can walk comfortably in the heel in the high heels, and it stops your feet from sliding forward. Doctor approved. Now I will say, my feet did not slide forward because I put Vaseline on my feet all the time. I do not lotion my feet. I put Vaseline. So in certain heels, especially like my designers that'll have, like, prime example, lambskin lined shoes or real leather shoes, my feet slip and slide. So this did help with that, and it did relieve the pressure from the balls of my feet. Now, do you just get absolutely no heel pain? No, because I have some YSL heels that I have them on, and I have some Jennifer Lee heels that I have them on. Oh, I'm sorry. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 Shoe Gummies. I bought 7 Shoe Gummies when I bought these. It does not completely alleviate the pain of your shoes, but it does alleviate 85%. So if you can get in there with the rest of it, you're good. So that's gonna be everything for this shoe thing today. I know that's so unlike me to only do one shoe, but this is the shoe I'm really digging right now. This is the shoe I wanted to present to you guys, and I've been saying for almost a year now I was gonna do my Shoe Gummies, and I guess I could have shown y'all like how to put them on and everything like that, but I think it's tons of those type of videos here on YouTube already. I'm not sure, I'm just assuming. I would assume that they are, especially how good the product is. But what I would tell y'all is just my honest opinion on the product and everything that comes with it. Now inside of there you do get all this stuff, and she tells you what heels you cannot put it on, what heels you should put it on, especially for the Shoe Gummy that you purchased. You get the whole little packet. There's the gummies in there, and you get the file, and it's so cute, so classic. But y'all go out and y'all go check out her thing, Fancy Lash, and go look up Shoe Gummy, and you'll actually like this. The Giuseppe's, you can go to the Giuseppe website, and I don't know if they're still in stock. They may be, but if y'all already have this shoe, please comment down below in the comments and let me know if you like the shoe. For me, Giuseppe's are super comfortable. Even with their heels, they're very true to size. Now I did get this one, it's in an exact fit, but it was because it was the last one and they were on sale. And one thing I like about Giuseppe's, the shoes you can see maybe like 3-4 months ago that are like at a certain price point, you can come back in some months, sometimes, not always, and they're on sale. Most of my shoes, I get them right then and there because I never know what he's gonna put on sale or what he's not gonna put on sale. Anyways, y'all, and this is called, because I don't want to mess it up, this is the Nidar Shearling Suede. That's what I have wrote down on here. I hope you guys enjoy this content today. Make sure you watched until the end. Go ahead and leave a comment so that I know you were here and we can discuss everything. I'm talking. Catch you guys next video. Hey Jim, thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye.